So yesterday we have finished up the discussion of the chapter 4, Advanced Features of Excel. One topic is left that we will be discussing right now. And then after that, we'll be discussing the question answers and the exercises. Okay. The concept is how to print the worksheet. Suppose I have typed this data, English, maths, science, total, roll number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And name I have A, B, C, D, E. And I enter the marks 89, 87, 88. Then I have the marks 100, 58, 78, then 100, 75, 65, 98, 98, 94, 58, 56, 100. Right? This is my data. Let me make it bold, colorful, and centrally aligned. And I increase the size to 18. So this is my data, right? Printing means when you take the hard copy of your information till your information is on the monitor screen. That is called the soft copy. When you are taking the printout, that is called the hard copy. Right? How to take the printout of your worksheet? Click on File menu, choose the print option. Okay. This is the layout. This is the print preview, how it will appear in the printing. You can select the pages, how many pages you want. Select the number of copies, how many copies of the page you want to take the printout. जैसे सपोज मेरा एक पेज है और मुझे उसकी 10 कॉपीज निकालनी है, तो आई कैन स्पेसिफाई 10 here. 10 times one page will get print. Then this is the setting, portrait or landscape. By default it is portrait. This is the landscape orientation. You can set the orientation as per your convenience, right? Then here, look at this arrow, print active sheet. Active sheet means the current sheet in which you are working. Then you can select print selection. You can take the printout only of the selected portion. You don't want the printout of the entire data. You want to have printout of the selected portion. So you can select the data for which you want the printout. Okay. And if you want the grid lines, you can have the grid lines also. Like you can set it like this. All borders. Then going into the page layout, set the grid lines. Okay. Clear? See, now proper tabular form data is coming. Right? And then you can click on the print button and you will get the printout of it. So understood how to take the printout? All right. Now, let us start the discussion of exercises. All of you, please open your book on page 44. All the students who are sitting in the class, I request everyone to open your book on the page 44. Kanav, you want to ask any question? You have raised your hand. Yes, bete. Select your data. Okay, Arjun, Kanav, select the data. Go to page layout tab. You can see the grid lines option. Activate this print checkbox. Okay. Right. Puranjay, is the concept clear? Navya? All right. So I would like to show you one PPT I have created for you people. Right. This PPT I will send you in the group. This PPT I have created so that you can revise the chapter. You read the chapter from the book, thoroughly read it, then go through this PPT for final revision. Okay. So let me open the PPT also. Yeah. Lecture number 3. What is sorting? Sorting refers to arrangement of data in ascending or descending order. What is the command to enable the sorting feature? Click on the data tab. Under sort and filter group, click on the sort button. What is the alternate method? There is one more method to sort your data by clicking on the data tab. Under the sort and filter group, click on smallest to largest button if you want to sort in ascending order, and click on largest to smallest button if you want to sort the data in descending order. Then next, we have the meaning of filtering. What is filtering? To work with selected range of data that satisfies the specified criteria. So there are two types of filters: auto filter, advanced filter. And how to enable the auto filter? Click on the data tab. Under the sort and filter group, click on the filter option. Then moving towards the concept of how to use advanced filter option. Click on the data tab. Under sort and filter group, click on advanced option. Right. Okay. So name two options which appear in the advanced filter option: list range, criteria range. And what is the goal seek feature? Goal seek feature refers to the fixing for specific result by adjusting the value in another cell. Okay. Am I clear? So now moving to the other slide, how to enable the goal seek feature. Click on the data tab. Under the data tools group, click on what if analysis option. Under the what if analysis option, choose goal seek option. Name three options of goal seek dialog box: set cell, to value, by changing cell. And last but not the least, how to take the printout. Click on the file menu, choose the printout option. Shall we start the question answers now? All right. Those of you who know the answer, raise your hand, come on the video. I will unmute you and you will answer the question. Rest of you, note down the correct answers. If you have any doubt, you can discuss it with me. First MCQ, page 44. What is the process of arranging data in particular order? Options are sorting, goal seek, filtering. Yes, Navya, unmute yourself, bache.
Sorting.
Very good, very right, excellent. Sorting. A option is the correct option. Next, Suhana, bete unmute yourself. In which tab advanced filter option is available. Data, home, view. A option, data tab. Very good, Suhana. Keep it up. Well done. Kanav, next question for you, bache. In which group sort option is available? View, data.
Sort and filter group.
Very good, sort and filter group. So this proves that all of you have revised the chapter carefully. That is why you are able to give the answers. Excellent class. Next is Bhavya, your turn, bache. I'm unmuting you. In which option is the goal seek available? What if analysis, consolidate, filter?
What if analysis?
What if analysis? So first question A option, second question A option, third question C option, fourth question again A option. Are we clear up till here? Suhana, you want to ask some question? Your hand is raised. All right. Fill in the blanks. Options are given. You have to pick up the correct option. Okay? Dash means arranging the data in ascending or descending order. Bhavesh, beta, please answer this question.
Sir, sorting.
Very good, sorting. So fill up your blank. Sorting. Nitya, beta, your turn now. Goal seek option is present in dash menu. Nitya, unmute yourself, beta.
Sir,
Goal seek option is present in dash menu.
advanced filter.
Data menu, beta. Data menu. Okay. Okay. To remove the filter, click dash option. To remove the filter, click dash option. Yes, Bani, unmute yourself and tell me.
Yes, sir. Clear option.
Clear option. Very good. Bani, please send me attendance today also. Daily you will send to me. Okay. It's your duty. Dash and dash are two options for filtering data. Yes, Harshia, will you answer this question? Dash and dash are two options for filtering the data.
Sir, auto filter and advanced filter.
Excellent. Auto filter and advanced filter. So many hands are raised. Very good. Very good response is coming from 7C. Now, so we quickly revise the blanks. First blank, sorting. Second is data menu. Third, clear. Fourth is auto filter and advanced filter. Now, C, true and false. Filter refers to display only those data that meet with specific criteria. Yes, Akriti, come on the video, unmute yourself. Akriti is not here, I guess. Yes, Akriti, unmute yourself.
Sir, true.
True. It is true. Sorting only arranges the data in decreasing order. Prerna, unmute yourself.
False.
False. You can sort in ascending also, not only in decreasing. So answer is false. All right. You cannot remove a filter. You cannot remove a filter. Yes, Suhana?
False.
False. We can remove the filter. So it is false. Sort and filter group is present in data tab. Yes, true. What if analysis option contain goal seek option? Yes, Kanav. What if analysis option contains goal seek option? Unmute yourself, Kanav.
Sir, true.
True. It is true. So correct answers are true, false, false, true, true. Okay. Now let us proceed towards the question answers. All right. What do you mean by sorting? What do you mean by sorting? Sorting refers to arrangement of data either in ascending or descending order. Okay. What do you mean by filtering? What do you mean by filtering? Yes, who will tell? What is filtering? Bhavya, will you try? Unmute yourself, bete. Yes, beta, what is filtering?
Yes, sir. Sir, filtering data means working with specified criteria.
Yes, displaying that data which meets the specific criteria and hiding the unwanted data. Very good. Explain the goal seek feature. Yes, who will discuss this? Goal seek feature. Bhavesh, will you try? Goal seek feature. Shall I unmute you? Okay, Navya, you try. The goal seek feature. What is goal seek feature?
Goal-seek feature is a feature for fixing a specific result for one cell by adjusting a value in another cell.
Excellent. It is used for fixing a specific result for one cell by adjusting the value in another cell. Very right. Very right. Okay. Next question is differentiate between auto filter and advanced filter. Differentiate between auto filter and advanced filter. Yes, who will try? Nitya, will you try? Shall I unmute you, bete? Okay, give a try to this question, bete. Very good, shabash.
Auto filter means the filter with auto filter means the
Yes,
filter
beta.
with
Shabash,
that
shabash.
that filtered the cells.
Beta, auto filter means auto filter works with selected range of cells. Okay, and advanced filter works with multiple fields. Very good. Good, Nitya. So students, what is the difference in auto filter and advanced filter? Bete, auto filter works with selected range of cells, whereas advanced filter works with multiple fields. Okay. Advanced filter works with multiple fields. Okay. All right. So next, application based questions. Neha has prepared a worksheet containing the heights of students. She wants to arrange this in ascending order. Help her to do so. This question is on 45 page in your book, application based questions. So Neha has prepared a worksheet where she has filled the data for the height of the students. Now she wants to arrange the data in ascending order. How she can do? How you can help Neha? Beta, listen how to attempt application based questions. Listen to me carefully. ये आपको पता है कि यहां पे sorting feature चलना है, ठीक है? Neha should click on data tab. Under sort and filter group, she should click on sort button. Okay. This is how you have to attempt the application based questions. These are also called competency based questions, interactive questions. So Neha should click on data tab. Under sort and filter group, Neha should click on sort button. Okay. Am I clear to each and every child in 7C? भवेश क्लियर है आंसर आपको? भवेश बच्चे क्लियर है? गुड. नित्य आपको क्लियर है बेटे? Seema has created a worksheet containing the marks of students. She want to take the printout of the worksheet. Suggest her the way to perform the task. Very simple. Seema wants to have printout of the worksheet. It is so simple. Seema should click on file menu. She should click on print option. Okay. Seema should click on file menu and choose print option. Okay. Am I clear? So I hope all the students of 7C have got into touch with all the questions. Any doubt to any child in any question?